Welcome back to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. In this video, welcome to June, the month where everything feels a little more golden. With the days stretching longer and summer officially arriving, June invites us to slow down and to savor the spaces that we live in. It's a time of transition from spring freshness to sun-soaked afternoons. And that shift is reflected in the way that we decorate, from celebrating Father's Day to preparing for backyard barbecues and graduation parties. This month brings people together in and around the home. June is also National Home Ownership Month, making it the perfect moment to take pride in your space and maybe even refresh your room or two. Whether you're embracing lighter fabrics, fresh blooms, or simply opening your windows more often, there's no better time to fall in love with your home all over again.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and
When I think of June, I can't help but be reminded of modern organic home decor. There's something about its calm, grounded aesthetic that perfectly mirrors the shift into summer, a season filled with sunlight, fresh energy, and a craving for simplicity. With its natural textures, earthy tones, and clean lines, modern organic design brings the outside in, creating a home that feels effortlessly serene and refreshingly current. Think warm wood tones, linen textiles, stone accents, and curated minimalism that still feels cozy. It's a style that invites you to slow down, breathe deeper, and truly enjoy your surroundings, making it a perfect fit for the peaceful, sun-soaked days of June. So I couldn't finish this video on summer home decor without throwing in a few dopamine rooms. Now, dopamine home decor style, it's like summer in a room. It's bright, it's bold, and it's full of energy. I have a full video devoted to dopamine home decor. I will go ahead and link it on this video as well. Now, with its vibrant colors, playful patterns, and joyful mix of textures, it captures the carefree spirit of the season. Just like summer, dopamine decor is all about feeling good and letting your personality shine through every detail. Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to let me know your favorite summer room style down below, and also check the description box. I have some curated pieces that I have found that would be perfect for a summer themed room. I'll see you all in the next video. Check out one of these videos that are coming up right now if you want to watch something else. See you soon. Bye-bye.